Hi, to set up nearby share on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, go in the settings and make sure that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled here. This is an important step for everything to work correctly. Now we just need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and here swipe again and you will see this quick share icon. So simply press and hold it to see its settings. And here we can sign in the Google account or any other account first. We can change the device's name, for example, add an emoji, and we can select who can share with us. As a first step, enable visible to nearby devices and select one of three options, and also you can enable only for 10 minutes additionally. Now, after this feature is enabled, you just need to go in the photos, for example. Here, select a photo which you want to share with, select the button to share, then choose the quick share, and after that, it will be looking for nearby devices. So when it will find one, you just need to tap it, and you'll be able to share with this picture, and that's it. So that is quite like AirDrop in the iPhones, but this is quick share in the Android phones. If you want to disable it, you just need to swipe down, swipe again, and disable this feature by tapping it like that. So yeah, that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.